Have you ever wondered how you can get your website to appear on the first page of Google? By taking this Skillsfuture Singapore accredited course, you'll learn the exact steps and strategies to get your website there. In just 16 hours, you can earn your WSQ SEO certification. This course is conducted by leading industry experts and active practitioners in the SEO field. You'll be guided through a very hands-on, step-by-step approach on how to utilize the various SEO tools to conduct keyword research, implement competitor analysis, and perform a website SEO audit. Now, all this might sound overwhelming, but be assured that you'll not need a technical background to grasp these skills. The concepts and strategies are simplified into bite-sized material for easy understanding. By the end of the course, you'll be able to track and analyze your targeted keywords rankings, optimize a live website on-page and off-page to increase search rankings, better manage and communicate effectively with in-house marketing teams and external digital agencies. In the long run, all these strategies will lead to more sales and inquiries on your website. To complement your learning, Equinet also provides post-training support. You'll have lifetime access to the SEO courseware in our learning portal. It'll be frequently updated, so your SEO strategies are always up to date. You'll get a complimentary refresher seat valid for up to 1 year post-training, plus additional clinic sessions to address any SEO-related challenges that you may face. And lastly, a 1-year access to the e-learning course videos to help you recap on what you've learned in the course. So, check if you're eligible for up to 90% Skillsfuture subsidies and sign up today.